So while at a planning stage itself, and this is a precursor to the next slide, which incidentally is the marketing mix, of course. See, these are fundamental pillars of your business: who, where, when, how. These pertain to your customers. So for your product or your service, you need to understand these four questions are fundamental. So for example, let's say we are launching a real estate product. We are launching a second home. Now, where is the second home located? So what is the budget? Depending on that, depending how the product is, you need to understand. So who? So maybe, if let's say, it's in a 40 lakh to 60, 70 lakh range, a second home. I'm talking of, pardon me, I'm talking of Mumbai rates, or, outskirts of Mumbai. Different parts of the country, this may vary. So one is we need to identify who are the target group of people who are, going to buy this. So you need to brainstorm. So who's the primary buyer? Who's the major influencer? So there might be two, three things. So just to give an example, possibly the wife, in a typical scenario, I'm saying, possibly, the daughter or the wife, or the father of an individual, of a senior executive, may be a large decision influencer, but the decision maker will still be the person who's paying the bill. Now, so who? So even for any product to sell, probably you have to reach all these guys in a different way. But what will appeal to the father will be different in messaging from what will appeal to the daughter and to the wife. And this is just a classic example, and in today's day and age, of course, lot of times, there are working women. So are working women the target segment? If they are the target segment, how do we reach them? So that brings us to the next question: where? So if once we have identified a segment in terms of demographics, psychographics, their income levels, we then need to understand where do we get these guys. Okay, this is my target group. So my target group are women from the age of 30 to 45 for a particular product. Now, where do they spend most of their time? What mediums are they more? This segment, are they more on parenting pages? Are they more on career pages? Are they more on lifestyle pages? Are they more on entertainment pages? And I'm just giving some digital examples. It can also be offline examples in terms of, if I look at any marketplace in any particular city, which are the catchment zones where I can actually get these guys. So that will define where, when. Again, there are 24 hours in a day. What are the time slots when they are in a suitable disposition of mind to actually evaluate your product or service? That comes into play. So, and of course, lastly, how. So once you know who, where, when, how, and you sort of need to define what will be the best way, the optimal way to reach these guys. This was Siddhant's idea to add Acquist open whiteboard sessions for our multiple clients we handle, and also our in-house products or services. We do these open whiteboard sessions where we take a blank whiteboard and we throw some bubbles out there. So one is we throw the product bubble, then we throw all the potential customer bubbles out there, as to okay, these are the products or services we have, these are the potential, and we brainstorm, okay, these are the 8, 10, 12. It's an interesting thing, and probably someday I can, if any of you feel like, I can show you what we do. And then of course, we then say, okay, now this is there, and these are the 12 or 13 customer segments. However, this customer segment, the cost of reaching this customer segment is very high, and maybe they have less attention span. However, there is another customer segment where you can easily reach, but they will not spend much. So we typically try to balance and try to reach an optimum mix, depending again on the product or service. So this is what, and so this, we call these marketing hacks. This is like a, to be fair, this is not there in any textbook, guys. It's a clear, it's a clear thing that we have come up with. As we say, as the name says, it's a marketing hack. It's like a cheat code, which we have come up with, and I wanted to share here to see if this will be relevant for you guys at all.